Welcome to another glorious day in the portfolio. Today was somewhat of a good day. Portfolio up 0.5%, which is barely, okay, basically exactly what the S&P returned today. I think the S&P returned like 0.72. I will say the Nasdaq had a really big day today. They had like 1.22, which is something I would expect because yeah, they've been getting destroyed these last couple of days. So those tech stocks are definitely making their way up. So, for example, let's take a look at how the portfolio performed today. So we've got Bank of Nova Scotia. That one was down 0.15. Not too sure what exactly is happening with this stock. Like it's got good earnings, but not too sure why it's not picking up. Crombie up 0.85%, not too bad. CT Read 0.9%. I'm happy with that. The Sunday, we will talk about this one. This is the purpose of this video. We will get into that right now, right after we finish this. So this is the indexes that I'm invested in: 0.29, 0.54 between the in the S&P, and 0.75 in the TSX capped composite index. So let's get back to the main purpose of this video. So if we take a look at today's activities, I essentially, if you look at the beginning of the day, I sold all of my, not all of my, but a major stake of my portfolio in terms of like the market in order to start buying this Sunday stock. So I purchased my first 900, yeah, then I sold some more market, bought some 700, yeah, and then put the rest in the REIT. So my overall position right now, as we can take a look, for that stock is I am holding $4,000. Okay, so I literally just put this $4,000, and I will show you why. I believe this stock is going to go up in the next 7 days. I won't say I promise you, because the truth is I'm not a financial advisor. I believe that this thing is going to go up, and we're going to test out this theory, and I'm putting my money where my mouth is, and I'll give you the reason why I'm putting up this money. Okay, so if we take a look at the earnings for this company for last year, essentially, because the Q4 results are coming out next week, which is when I expect that stock to jump up. So if you take a look here, the earnings have gone up from 67 million to 85 million, and the reason for this is Lasonde, this company, purchased another company in the US, and of course, they use some debt, but you can see that the debt really didn't go up, and they used some of their cash. So I'm expecting, based on the Q4 results of last year, I'm expecting upwards of 20, more than $20 million in Q4. So let's just say 25. I'm expecting around 25 million, which will put us year to date to about 110 million, which personally I think is perfect when you look at the pricing of this thing. So let's take a look at exactly how much it's priced at right now. So let's take a look at the market cap. Exactly, market cap of 1.25 billion. So essentially, this thing will be yielding close to 10%, close to a EPS ratio of 10, which, believe it or not, is very good in this market. Most stocks are now at like 20 times earning. Even though with huge market sell-off, we are still in the PE ratio is definitely high for all of the stocks that are out there. So I think this is perfect. I personally think we're going to go up at least 5%. We'll see if I get proved wrong next week. As soon as next week comes, I'm going to publish a video, and I will show you exactly where we stand. But right now, I've got 22 shares of this stock, $4,000 already, and let's make some money, man. I need to make some money so we can grow this portfolio. So we'll keep on giving you updates, keep on making deposits. And again, as I told you, this is my overall total. The one I mainly show you guys is the TFX one, because I don't have too many indexes in there. As you can see, as you saw, I'm selling a lot of those off. And in the RSP, that's just essentially the S&P. That's exactly what it is in the 12,000. So we'll keep on going, and next week we'll touch base and we'll see if this gamble has paid off.